The DRDO of India has unveiled the Virupaksha Program, a bold project aimed at revolutionizing the capabilities of the Su-30 MKI fighter jets. At the heart of this transformation is the introduction of advanced radars powered by AFAR technology, a cutting-edge development poised to change the game in aerial warfare. Imagine a radar so sophisticated that it can track multiple enemy targets while simultaneously scanning the skies for new threats, all without moving a single part. This is the power of AFAR, or Active Electronically Scanned Array technology, which the Virupaksha program is set to bring to the Indian Air Force. In essence, this radar doesn't just look around. It listens and reacts faster than ever before, providing pilots with unprecedented situational awareness and control. The story begins with the concept of the antenna positioner, a mechanical marvel that will allow the radar to pivot, directing its gaze both vertically and horizontally. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a game changer. By giving the radar the ability to shift its view across wide angles, the aircraft can see more, further, and with greater clarity. In battle, this expanded field of view could be the difference between victory and defeat. AFAR technology is a leap forward from traditional radars. Instead of relying on a single large transmitter to sweep the sky with a broad beam, AFAR radars are composed of thousands of tiny TR modules, each acting as both a transmitter and receiver. Picture an array of miniature eyes, each capable of locking onto a target with pinpoint precision and shifting focus in an instant. The result is a radar system that scans faster, tracks multiple targets with ease, and offers unparalleled flexibility in the heat of combat. One of the key developments under the Virupaksha program is the creation of the Uttam Mark II antenna by the Electronics and Radar Development Establishment. This antenna will be equipped with a positioner capable of rotating up to ± 90 degrees in azimuth and ± 20 degrees in elevation, allowing for dynamic, wide-ranging surveillance capabilities. With this upgrade, the Su-30 MKI fighter jets is set to become more than just a fighter jet. It will evolve into a mini AWACS. The radar's extended range will give the Indian Air Force a significant strategic advantage, making the Su-30 MKI fighter jets a formidable asset in any conflict. As the first batch of 84 Su-30 aircraft undergoes this comprehensive upgrade, the Virupaksha program marks a significant leap forward in India's defense capabilities. Once complete, these aircraft will stand alongside only a few in the world, with radar systems that rival those found in the most advanced military jets, including the Chinese Su-30s that first featured AFAR technology. This is not just an upgrade, it's the dawn of a new era in Indian aviation, where technology and strategy combine to create a force to be reckoned with. That's it from my side. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below.